Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. I'm Dr. Amy Starr with the Mesa Veterinary Clinic, Paws and Hooves Mobile Veterinary Services, and San Francisco Stables. So this week is the beginning of our March Spay and Neuter special. We have 20% off of specials, and we post a little cancer prevention ribbon for each one that gets spayed or neutered. So because of that, obviously I wanted to go into the importance of why spaying and neutering is vital for every pet, really important. We do see a lot of disease, a lot of illness, a lot of emergencies that could totally be prevented if the correct prevention is taken care of at the correct time. So we really should be spaying and neutering our pets at around 6 months of age. Sometimes, we need to do it earlier or later depending on different issues that are seen, but normally in the majority of the pets, 6 months is good. And there's numerous reasons. In females, studies have shown if you spay the dogs before, and cats, very important also in cats, before their first heat cycle, it prevents mammary cancer almost 100%. If you wait till they're only 2 years old, the chances of mammary cancer go up to 85%. So that's a huge change in about a year and a half. So definitely really important to do that. We do see a lot of mammary cancer, which is breast cancer, in our patients. It's just, you'd be amazed at the amount that we see. We also see a lot of other types of cancers within the reproductive organs, like ovary and uterine cancers and cysts. And sometimes those ovarian cysts are extremely painful. If we go off of human medicine and know how females feel, dogs can't express that to us. They can't let us know. And I've seen some that I'm sure the cysts have been there for months. And, and obviously nobody knows about it. And so really to make our pets healthier and more comfortable, we want to do what's right for them and spay and neuter them. The other thing is pyometra, which is basically an infection in the uterus, and that can be deadly. I've seen pets just die overnight because of it. It depends on if the cervix is open or closed, but either way, the wall of the uterus, because it's holding so much infection and pus, eventually breaks down and spreads that infection throughout the body. Even after surgery, there are also possible complications. So if we can prevent all of that and do it when the pet is healthy, then we can prevent all of the illness plus the potential post-op complications that happen after doing a surgery on an infected uterus. And then lastly, obviously, birthing problems. I've had several where the patient is in distress and life-threatening because of having problems birthing, and so we want to take care of that. Excuse me. Also on the males, we definitely see problems, prostate problems, testicular problems, things like that. Getting hit by cars because they jump the fence or get out of the fence because they smell a dog in heat down the road somewhere. And so really important in both females and males to get them spayed and neutered. If you have any questions, maybe you have a concern about your pet, bring them in and we'll take a look at them. I also want to mention that for our horsey friends, we have March is the time we want to get spring vaccines done. We don't want to wait too long because those vaccines prevent against a lot of diseases that are passed by mosquitoes. And obviously in our wonderful weather area, we get mosquitoes pretty early. I actually saw one 2 weeks ago in my bathroom. So, make sure that we get the vaccines done on time so we have high protection during the most important time of the year. And so we do have 15% off of the vaccines if you want to go ahead and get that scheduled. And the vaccines prevent against, like I said, a lot of diseases that are passed by mosquitoes. And those diseases are mainly neurologic, meaning that they affect the nervous system. So can cause seizures and not being able to walk and even death. And so we definitely want to prevent against those. If you do have a horse or donkey or mule or any one of those, zebra, any one of those animals, and you have any questions about the vaccines, please let me know. I have seen several horses with those diseases, and again, it's totally preventable if we do the right thing and vaccinate our horses. So I hope to see you and have a great week. Give us a call if you have any questions. Bye-bye.